In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify columns, rows, and cells in Excel. To start, open your Excel worksheet and locate column A on the left side of the grid. Column A is the entire vertical section labeled with the letter A. When you are ready, select column A. You can do this by clicking directly on the letter A, so the whole column highlights. This step matters because any width changes you apply will affect the entire column at once. Next, right-click on the selected column A. After you right-click, look for the option labeled Column Width. Click that option to open the Column Width dialog box. This is where Excel lets you control how much horizontal space the column uses. In the box, enter 20, and then click OK to apply the change. Once you do this, you should see column A become wider or narrower based on the number you entered, making it easier to fit your content. Now that the column width is set, you will adjust a row the same way. Move your attention to the row labels along the top of the sheet. The row you want is row 1, which is the first horizontal row. Click on the number 1 so the entire row highlights. Taking this time to select the correct row ensures that the height you change only affects the intended area of your spreadsheet. After row 1 is selected, right-click on the number 1. From the menu, choose Row Height. Excel will open a dialog box where you can set the size of the row. Type 25 in the field, then click OK. When you apply the row height, row 1 should become taller, which is especially helpful if you plan to display larger text or you want the header row to stand out. Muyar sigor, every rate and sound. With your column and row sizing in place, you can now update a specific cell. The instructions call for clicking cell A1, which is the top left cell where column A meets row 1. Click inside cell A1 so it becomes active. You should notice that the cell border highlights and the cursor is ready for typing. Selecting the exact cell is important because you only want the update to appear in that one location. Now type updated value into cell A1. After you enter the text, press Enter. Pressing Enter confirms the change and typically moves the selection to the next cell below, or keeps focus depending on your Excel settings. At this point, you should see the new text displayed in the cell, and it will fit nicely thanks to the column width and row height you adjusted earlier. Next, you will select a block of cells to apply a formatting adjustment. Choose cells A1 through C5. You can do this by clicking cell A1, then dragging across and down until C5 is included. Alternatively, you can click A1 and use Shift-click to extend the selection to C5. When those cells are highlighted, you know Excel recognizes the exact range you plan to adjust. Now, focus on the Excel ribbon at the top of the window. Click the Home tab so you are viewing the Home tools and formatting options. This is where Excel provides common formatting controls like font, alignment, and cell sizing options. Once you are on the Home tab, look for the Format button. Click Format to open the formatting menu. Within the Format menu, choose Auto Fit Column Width. This command automatically adjusts the width of the selected columns so the content fits neatly without you having to guess the right size. Since your selection includes columns A through C, AutoFit will help ensure that all content in that range displays properly and does not get cut off. After AutoFit finishes, take a moment to visually confirm the result. You should see columns A, B, and C updated to a width that makes the text readable. If your cells contain different lengths of content, AutoFit will respond accordingly, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.